3, 2, 1.
3, 2, 1.
All right, today is October 16th, 2025. This is Steve with Great Roofing and Restoration. We are here at 302 Ashland Avenue in Elyria, Ohio, 44035 at the Mark Warner residence. Here to attempt to repair on an IKO Cambridge weathered wood shingle for his ongoing roofing claim. So I'm going to start the repair here and kind of give you guys an idea of what's going on. So this is the damaged shingle. Try to get it out.
Oops.
Okay. Take the new IKO Cambridge weathered wood. Closer here. Got my hammer here. Gently lift this shingle here. Try to find a spot to nail. So we've installed the shingle here.
You can mesh them together.
Okay, I just want to show a couple things with the shingle that was just installed here, this IKO Cambridge. The bottom, you see there's some rips in the previous shingle where material has transferred over from one to the other. I highly doubt that they'll be able to seal going forward. If we look here, there's plenty of material transfer underneath the lip here. Kind of hard to get a good view from where that's at, but you can see where the material has transferred. There's granules stuck. These will unfortunately never seal properly, and the color itself is pretty off. You're seeing some grays and blues compared to the weathered wood that's on here. We have some further damage here that's going to require me to come up over top of this slope into the next slope over the ridge. We have a little damage here, but the big issue I'm having is not only is this roof on, it's a 2-layer roof right now currently, we have a high volume of damage here from the storms that have made this shingle impossible to repair in its current state. I will have to replace these all the way up to the ridge, go up and over the ridge cap. But when I do that, I'm going to mess with the integrity of the valley here. I'm gonna have to run new ice and water down, which means I'm gonna have to go ice and water this way. And then furthermore, it being on 2 layers, I'm gonna show you the other slopes with confirmed storm damage and the repairs that are up there that will not hold over the course of the years. So as we get up here, you'll see more storm damage up near the box vents. I'll have to replace nearly all the shingles around the box vents up to the ridge, which will have me go over top of the ridge here into the shingles that even from the road, you'll be able to tell that these are not completely matching in their current state. See where we'll have to go up and over to make sure that the repairs are done properly. At this point, I do feel the only way to properly repair this roof is to replace this roof.